I'm not going to give you a 21-day challenge, not a 90-day transformation plan, not another motivational speech that makes you feel good, and then you forget everything tomorrow. Today, I'm giving you something dangerous, a 24-hour reset system that can change your mind, your energy, and the direction of your entire life. But there's a condition. This is not for people who just want to listen. This is for people who are ready to be brutally honest with themselves for just one day. Because the truth is, your life is not stuck because you are weak. Your life is stuck because you've been lying to yourself. So today, we fix that. Not forever, not perfectly, just for one real day.
Step 1. The cutoff.
Pick one day, just one. On that day, you cut off the noise. No endless scrolling, no random videos, no distractions to escape yourself, just you and your mind. And listen carefully. This day will feel uncomfortable. You will reach for your phone. You'll tell yourself, just 1 minute. That moment right there, that's the test. Because when the noise disappears, everything you've been avoiding starts getting louder. Your thoughts, your fears, your truth.
Step 2. The mirror test.
Now stand in front of a mirror. No music, no affirmations, no pretending. Just look at yourself and ask one question: who am I trying to become? Don't rush the answer, don't fake it, just feel it. It will feel awkward, heavy, maybe even uncomfortable. Good, because that feeling is showing you where you've been compromising. And until you are honest with yourself, no strategy will ever work.
Step 3. The truth confession.
Take a notebook and write down just one thing. What am I avoiding? One habit, one decision, one truth you keep pushing to tomorrow. Now here's the challenge. Pause this video and type in the comments, I am avoiding example, avoiding my discipline. I am avoiding my health. I am avoiding my purpose. This doesn't fix your life instantly, but it does something more powerful. It stops the lie. And when the lie stops, change begins.
Step 4. The 62-minute reset.
Set a timer for 60 minutes. This hour is where your life starts shifting.
First 20 minutes. Body.
Move, walk, push-ups, stretch, run. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real, because movement breaks stagnation.
Next 20 minutes. Mind.
Write everything. Your stress, your overthinking, your anger, your confusion. Don't filter it. Let it out. Because a cluttered mind can't create a clear life.
Last 20 minutes. Silence.
Sit. No phone, no distractions, no goals, just stillness. And here's what you'll realize. You're not too busy. You're just disconnected. And in that silence, clarity begins.
Step 5. The final moment.
At night, stand in front of the mirror again. No questions this time. No motivation. Just say this: today, I didn't run. It wasn't perfect, but it was real. And most people go their entire life without living even one real day. One day won't fix your entire life, but one day can introduce you to your real self. And once you meet that version of you, direction becomes clear, decisions become easier, and excuses start dying. So don't scroll. Don't save this for later. Pick your day and start. If you're serious about changing your life, comment Day 1 starts now. Like, subscribe to Mindshift Rise, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support really helps us create more inspiring videos like this one. We'd also love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think or what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video, and until then, stay blessed and stay inspired.